Hi guys, welcome to TechTalks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about what is Threads on Meta. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Instagram Threads is definitely a new social media platform that ties into your social media account. It's made by the same people behind Instagram, and rather than focusing on photo and video based sharing, it actually uses text so that you will be able to share your ideas and thoughts through the social media platform. This is so much similar to Twitter, but the thing here is that Instagram is actually connected to your Threads account, which means whatever informations or whatever post you share on Instagram, you have an option to connect that to your threads. And the thing here as well, that even though that this is a new social media platform, there's no need for you to create a new account if you already do have your own Instagram account. All you have to do is log in using your Instagram account and you can start sharing threads to this new social media platform. And that's basically it. That's a brief explanation on what Threads on Meta is. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!